Welcome back to my channel Excel Genius Lab. In my previous video we learned how to look up a value from the table array using a VLOOKUP function whose return a single value. In today's video we are going to break down a powerful Excel formula which is multi-value VLOOKUP. Multi-value VLOOKUP with an array of column indexes. Multi-value VLOOKUP is an array of column indexes with the help of column indexes array. This is a great technique when you want to retrieve multiple pieces of information for a single lookup value in just one go. Let's take a look at syntax formula. VLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, and next column index number, where we will provide the array number and then lookup range. This formula allows us to search for a value and return results from multiple columns at once. Let's see how it's work. As you see, I have a set of data in my Excel sheet which is product ID, product name, category, and price. Next to this I have a product ID. In the next I have a product ID. For this I am going to return these information from the given table. So we are going to return a multiple column information using the multi-value VLOOKUP. So let's start with this. So let's start with the formula. First we have to select the column where we want to return the information, which is product name, category, and price. For these information we are going to return followed by the product ID. So we have to press. Let's start with the formula. First we have to press a equal sign, then VLOOKUP. Then we have to select the lookup value, which is G2. Next we have to select the table array, which is from A2 till end, which is DF1. Now we have to fetch the table with the help of function F4 key. Now we have to select the array of column indexes. So we have to write a curly braces, then we have to provide the column indexes, which is 2, 3, 4. Now we have to close the curly braces. Here's things get interesting. Usually with VLOOKUP we specify a single column indexes to return a value, but in this formula we are using a array which is 2, 3, 4. This means the VLOOKUP will return values for the second, third, and fourth column of our table range all at once. Then finally we have to write a false at the end of the formula. This tells Excel to find an exact match for the value in G2. If it does not find an exact match, the formula will return an error. See it in action. I will press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to confirm it as an array formula. Excel then populate the cell with the results for the column 2, 3, and 4. You can see all column is filled perfectly. With this array based VLOOKUP, you can save time and streamline your workflow by retrieving multiple values with a single formula. It's a powerful way to work with large datasets, especially when you need to gather various pieces of information about a specific item or entries. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.